The maximum allowable force in the members of the truss is force tension max is equal to 2 kN, and the maximum allowable compressive force is force compressive max is 1.2 kilonewton. Determine the maximum magnitude P of the two loads that can be applied to the truss. Take L equal to 2 meter and theta is 30 degree. So the maximum tension force is 2 kilonewton and maximum compressive force is 1.2 kilonewton. L is 2 meter and theta is 30 degree. So at joint B, here's the free body diagram at point B, joint B. So the summation of x is equal to 0. So negative FBC plus FBA, sine 30 is equal to 0. So to get FBC, we get FBA sine 30. So FBA is equal to FBC sine 30. This is the first equation. And the second one is the summation of y at joint B. Is equal to FBA cos 30 minus P equal to 0. So to get FBA, we got P divided by cos 30. And FBC over sine 30 is equal to P over cos 30. So here's how we get FBC. Just do the normal calculation. So here's the free body diagram at joint C. So we do the same thing. Summation of x is equal to 0. So here's the calculation, and we got the equation, and then we substitute the value into the equation, and we get FCD, and we substitute the value into another equation, and we get FCA. Here's the free body diagram at joint D. So we do the same thing to get the magnitude. Summation of x is equal to 0. So it's equal to FDA minus 1.577 P sine 30 is equal to 0. So we get this answer. Then we can assume that FCA is 2 kilonewton because it is stated in the question just now. So we do the normal calculation, and then we get the magnitude for joint D. So the P max is equal to 732 Newton.
Okay, next question. If the coefficient of static friction at A and B is mu s equal to 0.6, determine the maximum angle theta so that the frame remains in equilibrium regardless of the mass of the cylinder, regardless the mass of the rods. Okay. First step, we make the free body diagram first. So FB equal to mu s Newton P equal to 0.6. So FB we know 0.6 Newton. So summation of Fs equal to 0. FBC sin theta equal minus 0.6. FBC cos theta equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 0.6. So we know theta is 31.0. So summation of Fy equal to 0 and B minus FBC cos theta equal to 0. So we know NB equal to FBC cos theta.